Hello, this is AhabDev. This video is intended as a follow-up customer service guide for any of my past clients, but it might also be helpful for VRChat newcomers. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce texture sizes for objects you want to upload to VRChat. This is important because VRChat doesn't handle large textures well, like 4K resolution, and might flag your avatar as poor quality if the textures are too big. Reducing texture sizes helps make your avatar more efficient while still looking good. There are two main ways to do this. Using an image editor. Open each texture file in an image editor, resize it to a smaller resolution, and save it with reduced quality. This method creates a new file, so make sure to keep the original textures in case you want to use the full quality later. Using Unity. In your Unity project, click on the texture file, go to the inspector, and adjust the texture size using the settings there. This method is more flexible because you can easily change the size up or down anytime without permanently affecting the original file. Why do I deliver textures in 4K? By default, I provide the highest quality textures, 4K resolution, and 16-bit color depth, so they look as detailed as possible for things like photo mode. For example, if I create a leather jacket with metal accessories, I'll combine all the materials, leather, metal, etc., into a single texture for efficiency. This setup uses just one material slot, which helps performance. And still they look good, as you can see in the shots I took using simply Unity built-in render pipeline and proper lighting setup. However, VRChat doesn't need textures to be that large, and using 4K textures can negatively impact your avatar's performance rating. That's why I leave it up to you to reduce the texture sizes to find the right balance between visual quality and efficiency for VRChat. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.